Yo, what's cooking, good looking people? So yeah, this is a little intro. I hope you guys enjoy the video that's about to play right now. It is a COD, not COD, bro, I keep saying COD. It's Zombies first person shooter on blockchain demo, and enjoy that shit. You know, get some popcorn, get some water, be enlightened, do mindful breathing. And yeah, I wanted to make this intro because I'm kind of dead in the whole video because I'm fucking like high and I'm tired because that shit was not working with me, but it finally worked with me. So let's get to it, bow. Zombies on oh shit! This is an FPS first person shooter zombies game on blockchain. Let me kill this fucking guy already, goddamn. Oh fuck, they're crazy. So I'm actually a COD Zombies fanatic. Like I used to go to like round 60 and shit, like alone, like on let's see, like Die Rise. I have like round 60 from Black Ops 2, and low-key Black Ops 2 was like the best zombies game, like the best zombies mode. Black Ops 1 paved the way, you know, but like, you know, after Black Ops 2, that shit became a saturated piece of shit. Yo, but yeah, so I'm buried, Black Ops 2 buried, round 50. I'm an OG, right? But the fact that I peeped that there's a FPS zombies game on blockchain, like that really, you know, that really connected to me. Like that fucking bullet connected to that zombie's head, right? So, you know, I had to hop on this shit, check it out, because they got the public beta going. And you know what? I'm loving it. Like, you know, they made it, you know, fair. Like, you low-key can't make any bread unless you buy an NFT, and the NFTs they're selling is guns and shit, and like different weaponry and shit like that. But oh, see, look how I'm moving right now. That was the last one. All right, hold up. See, I'm dancing like a ballerina right now. Fuck you talking about. So yeah, my point was, let's get this submachine gun off the bat. So yeah, we're playing the beta. This is open to anybody, but you cannot make any Zcash, what the fuck it's called. Let's not miss any bullets here. Bam. Round 1 complete. So there's only 5 rounds in the demo. Let's see if I can do this shit first try. I'm just that nice. That's enough of the COD Zombies shilling. This is not COD Zombies, this is Undead Blocks. The only thing that I would say that this could like use is maybe like use a blockchain that like isn't ETH, you know? I'm not really fucking with ETH like that no more. I'm a fucking op to ETH. Oh shit, yo, that motherfucker came running at me, bro. Holy shit. Alright, let's start a train up. Alright, that just changed the aspect ratio, but we're vibing with it. It seems to be a little bit more smoother now. Wow, it's like a ton smoother. Hey, look at them fuckers trying to get me. Yo, the AI is crazy. They're, you know, they're a little bit intelligent. Alright, let's relax now. See, my zombies training style is like, don't get too cocky with it, you know? You're gonna want to look back and shoot once in a while. And don't do this either. If you're training, don't do that. Don't break away the fucking train. Come on. And definitely sprint. How much is this? Oh, okay, that's 5,000 XP. So that's only fast hands apparently. That's not really quick revive or anything juicy like that. I like how they set this up. They set it up like it's like a perfect train. Yo, who the fuck just smacked the shit out of me? Hey, yo, watch out. Let's get these fucking guys. Run. Now it's time to heal. For sure. I'm playing this shit on a fucking Stadia controller. Like, it's not even an Xbox, PlayStation controller. It's a Stadia controller. So I know this house opens up, but you know how we do it in the zombies culture. We gotta leave a fucking crawler, even though there's no crawlers in this bitch. Let's collect this train real quick, though. The recoil was crazy, but you know, I can't complain. That zombie is a sprinter. You're a sprinter and you're dying. Bow. Hey Siri, what time is it? Alright, don't fucking ignore me. Nice. Okay, this is the last one. Let's see. What can we do? I have 1,750 XP. Let's open the fucking house. You know, we gotta play some Chris Travis to get this shit going real quick. the fuck? Let's see what's up with it. Is this the entrance, bro? Yeah, it is. Open that shit. What's that? Yo, something's going on with it. Yo, what the fuck? Where are we at? Alright, one more door. I'm wasting bread. I low-key need this. What the fuck? This is the loading screen. What the fuck? Open armory weapon? Oh shit. Zombies coming. Alright, so that's basically the mystery box where you can deadass choose. Oh, I'm out of here. Oh my god, oh my god. No, I cannot be in here. Alright, we're gonna fucking find out the mystery of this house. Oh, they're like, I'm trying to investigate. Let's investigate. Alright, we're back to the training method. Who wants this? We got 2 more rounds in this bitch. Oh, this is a fucking shotgun right here. I didn't even peep that. What the fuck? Yo, they low-key need to like outline that shit more. Maybe they're trying to keep it low-key because I was not able to peep that. Oh my god. Run, run. Run, don't get stuck, don't not get stuck. That's the worst thing you do when playing zombies right now is get stuck. Okay, I definitely need ammo. This stupid fucking knife right here. Where'd they go? Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, we need to refill some ammo real quick. I really do not hope. That needs to go. The guys with the things in their fucking hands, like the long weapons, they seem to be the fastest motherfuckers. I need to get me an NFT because I'm a fucking COD Zombies god. If I get an NFT in this game right now, or yo, if the game can bless me, sponsor me, yo, I will do anything. I will get on my knees now because I have the bread for it. I'm that safe right now. It's round 4. I cannot fuck this up. First try. Clear them out. Clear them out. 33, 33, 33. Angel numbers. Perk. Might as well get the perk. Reload root beer. Damn. Alright. Round 5, last fucking round. Let's get it. Give me the gun. This looks like the fucking blunder gap from Black Ops 2, bro. I'm glad you can reload while running. Last one. Hey yo, hey yo. Hey. That took a minute, bro. Well, there you go. Alright, yo, so we back. I wanted to check out the pricing on these NFTs because that was the beta demo. But in order for you to actually earn per zombie kill, like you can actually earn the game's crypto per zombies kill, but you need to have an NFT. So let's check this shit out. Oh, the floor dropped from last time. So yes, floor price is 0.19 ETH, which is about $300. Damn, bro, I need that, bro. I need this. The amateur ones, these are the amateur ones, I guess. These are just a pistol and knife. Let's see the crazy ones. Damn, whoa, look at this shit. Look at this fucking survivor kit. Shit got the knife, the AR. Damn, and the prices are only gonna go up, honestly. Let's look at the sales real quick. 700 fucking ETH volume, bro. That's crazy. Alright, so somebody just copped a couple amateurs. Well, not one person, but you know, a couple people copped that shit. Zombie killer, whoa. This is a fucking pack. Woo! This is a pack and a half, bro. God damn, look at all these perk bottles, grenades. Damn. Sheesh. Damn, assassin? What the fuck is assassin? This is a nice kit right here. Zombie killer. Oh my god, somebody got this shit for 1 ETH. $2,000. Fuck me, dude. Let's go to Waigu, their hosted game site. Alright. So we're on their site right now. So my username is Richtofen. If you don't know where Richtofen is, check it out. So right here we have the download beta, Waigu wallet, player stats, and we have weapon lending. So this is coming soon. Weapon holders have the ability to lend their weapons to players all around the globe. So this is gonna be free. So people are gonna be able to rent out guns that other people own, and it'll be free. I guess how it's gonna work is that like however many kills you get, like the coins are gonna get like shared to the actual owner of the gun. So that makes perfect sense. Let's see my player stats. Nope, nothing. All right, yeah. So that's pretty much it. If you guys, how's it going, bros? My name is Goodbye. So, guys, I'll be honest. Let's get 10 likes, and I will do a cartwheel out of the fucking window and die. All right.